What up guys, George here. So on today's videos, I'm going to show you guys some tips on how to run your Mac faster for 2022. Let's get down to it. Alright, first thing first you want to do is remove login items that start up when you turn on your Mac. So what you want to do first is go to Apple here and go to System Preferences. As you can see, it's running really slow right now because I haven't done any type of cleanup recently. Alright, so go to users and groups. Wow, it's really running really slow. Okay, when you get to this one, click on login items. And as you can see, I already cleared all mine. So anything that's listed over here, just go ahead and take them out. Okay. Alright, number 2 is quit background application that's running in the background. So on your right here, usually this one would be on the bottom, but I have it on the right side. So all these right here is running in the background. So what you can do is quit them. Okay, so let's quit the Safari one. And if it doesn't quit right away, you'll have to force quit it. So click right click again. And on there's an option right there. Oh, there it is, force quit. All right, it already force quit for you. Okay, let's make sure this one is not running also. And if it doesn't quit right away, you'll have to force quit it, or quit one more time. And that doesn't happen, quit. There it is, quit. So basically, if it doesn't quit right away, you'll have to force quit it. Okay. Alright, the third one is free up some space. Delete files that are unnecessary, guys. What you want to do is go to Apple and go to About This Mac. Alright, and this shows you what you have as far as your Mac. So go to Storage. Okay, and go to Manage. Most of the files that you're gonna want to delete are gonna be on the Documents area. So you can see so calculating right here. Application, yes, basically delete application that you're not even using at all, or just taking up space. I got about 9 gigs on application, but I think most of the bulk is gonna be on the Documents. Yeah, that's for sure. Look at that. Okay, so what you wanna do is basically just start deleting. Delete, or just do a select all. So basically, on the large file, that's the ones that you want to delete. All right. Also, you want to check out your recent folder, which you can go to recent folder right here, and all these you can also delete if you wanted to, but it's an option. Alright, so the third one is remove cache files. Okay, in order to do this, go to and go to folder, and you'll have to type this in. I'll have the link below for you to just copy and paste it. Okay, press go. Now all these right here, these are all cache, so I'm gonna have to delete all these. What you want to do is do a mass delete, command and all, and just delete the whole thing. Move to trash. Now there is a software that does this automatically for you, but it's paid software. So okay. All right. So and the third one is stop your Mac from overheating. Let me show you a software that you can download here. Okay. this is called it's a Max Fan Control software. Let me open this up, and you can. I'll have a link below where you can download this. Now, I use this when I do like editing, video editing mostly. And let me just turn it on. So what it does is, so when I'm doing like editing videos, I usually have this one on. Because sometimes my Mac would just crash and reset itself. So what you want to do is automatically it's on automatic mode. So but when I do editing, I'll have it on full blast. Okay. So when I'm editing, I'll have it on full blast, and then when I'm not editing, I'll put it back on automatic. So that's how this thing works. Okay. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how to make your Mac run faster, or iMac run faster 2022. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.